Nakakatuwa lang isipin na sa kabila ng paglipas ng panahon, sa kabila ng mga problema at samot-saring hamon, ang barkadahan namin ay nananatiling matatag at buo. Sinong mag-aakala na yung mga kasama kong mag-cutting, sila pa ang magiging ninong ng mga anak ko. Pumuti man ang buhok namin, lumabo ang mata at rumupok ang buto. Ipagpapasalamat ko na sa tagal ng panahon, sila ang nakasama ko. Kada okasyon at salo-salo, siguradong lahat sila imbitado. Pagsasamang pinatibay ng panahon. Barkada lang kung tutuusin pero kapatid na ang turing ko. Ako si Bong, swinerte sa kaibigan. Minsan kung sino pa ang mga hindi mo kadugo, sila pa yung kung umasta, parang pamilya mo. My love, this one is true. In dire need, in times that you need people the most, surprisingly, yung mga taong hindi mo kadugo, di mo kaano-ano, not in any way related to you, but just friends, people that you've met over the years and have established a relationship with, sila pa yung kauna-unahang taong mag-aabot ng tulong sa'yo, mag-extend ng hand nila, will go out of their way just to make sure that you're okay. Just to make sure na you'll get through whatever it is yung pinagdadaanan mo. My love, kaya nga sinasabi nila, it doesn't matter if you have not that much or hindi big of a number na kaibigan. It doesn't matter if your circle is small. All that matters is it's true. Na hindi man ganun kadami yung kaibigan mo, hindi man ganun ka dami yung kilala mong mga malalaking tao in your life, but who you have in yours right now, mga totoo sa'yo, mga totoong kaibigan sa'yo, yung mga kaibigang hindi lang nandyan kapag you have almost everything this life can offer. But also those people na who will be with you even if you have nothing on you. Mga kaibigan na won't ask anything from you in return sa lahat ng mga binibigay nilang kindness. And it's not always monetary. Yung mga tipong kapag kailangan mo ng someone to be with you, you don't even have to ask them twice, sasama sila sa'yo. Yung hindi mo na kailangan magsabi sa kanila pero kabisado na nila na masama yung pakiramdam mo, masama yung loob mo. Mga taong hindi mo na kailangan na hingan ng tulong, they will offer it sa'yo. Like for example, do you need something sa labas? Lalabas kasi ako is there anything you want? Or you want the usual na kinakain mo? Yung mga people like that, mga friends na tinuturing mo na as your brothers and sisters from another mother. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, my love, may iba't ibang definisyon ng pamilya. Being close sa inyong mga blood-related family members or blood-related na mga tao sa buhay ninyo is great. Pero if you don't have that, do not be sad. As long as you know how to take care of a genuine friendship, you'll find home in their company. And some people doesn't have that. Kaya nga nabibilib ako sa mga kakilala ko na yung mga barkada nila, they go way back. High school pa lang sila and up until now. Yung may kanya-kanya na silang pamilya, may kanya-kanya na silang anak. And yet, whenever may birthday yung isa, meron silang Christmas party, may gathering of some sort, sila-sila pa din ang magkakasama. One good example actually that I grew up with ay barkada ng father ko. Grabe yung friendship na meron sila. They go way back in high school. And up until this day, I know even yung anak ng mga kaibigan niya. I know even kung may asawa na o wala pa yung mga anak ng kaibigan niya. That's how far their relationship have gone. Nagsanga na sila hanggang dun sa mga anak nila. So that's the kind of friendship that you should want for yourself. Hindi lang yung mga friendship na pareho kayo ng OOTD, pareho kayo ng bag, pareho kayo ng shoes. lumalabas kayo para kumain sa mga mamahaling restaurant, magkasama kayong mag-travel sa mga expensive na lugar out of the country. It's not just about that, but the memories you've shared, all the experiences you've gone through together, and the growth that you saw and supported in each other. That's how you know that you have found a genuine friendship close enough para matawag mo na siyang pamilya. And I hope every one of us, lahat ng nakikinig tonight, can find a friendship like that. Gusto ko makahanap ka ng ganong klaseng pagkakaibigan. Kasi in this life na napakadaming mahirap na pagsubok, challenges, in these tough times, those are the weapons you would want to keep close. Kasi tong weapon na to, you don't even have to wield it para lumaban alongside with you. Para siyang may sariling buhay, gumagalaw sa bawat kumpas mo. So my love, sa lahat ng mga may matibay na pagkakaibigan, if you can, celebrate that friendship every single year. Kasi friendship that's true and genuine nowadays is hard to find. Claro? Claro.